Industrial PVC roller blinds. Redefining spatial boundaries. What makes our blinds unstoppable? First, reinforced warp-knitted core fabric, survives 6,000 plus brutal cycles. Second, QUV certified UV resistance, laughs at 5 years of sun abuse. Third, total blackout tech, creates a 24 degrees Celsius cool zone under scorching heat. Fourth, self-extinguishing in seconds, with zero toxic smoke, meeting strict EN 13501-1. Where do they shine? In cafes, deploy rain shields in 5 seconds flat. In kitchens and bathrooms, wiping off oil and steam like it's nothing. In smart homes, fully automatic lifting, wear-resistant guarantee. And in galleries, where our 5.1 meter seamless giants become projection masterpieces. We mold solutions to your rules. We support full color customization and provide PVC roller blinds of different qualities according to customer needs, including economy type, high-end type, and luxury type. Need samples? We ship in 72 hours. Full orders delivered globally in 30 days guaranteed. How? Behind the curtain. 160,000 square meter of German engineered muscle, cranking out 120 million yearly. 16 Karl Mayer weaving lines, whispering precision at plus or minus 0.03 millimeters. Ready to transform light and space? Let's engineer your vision.